I remembered another point I was going to make. Yeah, part two. You're looking at this situation where the social engineers, they are the elite scumbags, the Illuminati. They have tried to steer the cultures, all of it, into breaking with natural law. I mean, the Keynesian economic policies, they break with the natural law of true market principles, and this is what you get. The more you try to control a wild beast, the more it lashes out. And this is not a mule you can break. And they're breaking with the law of like kind, and it's causing all kinds of genetic disasters to befall us. And so much so that, with all the colony die-offs, the bee colony die-offs, now they're talking about making genetically modified bees that can handle the genetically modified, fruits and vegetables that is killing them off. Isn't that fantastic? And, we're crossing over that threshold where the natural, wild, organic man is being, the seed or the genome is being polluted so miserably that we are just, I don't even think we're one generation from just being, GM humans. You've got basically, children that are being born at this point, from the genomes of 3 people. It's not to mention the promiscuity, the homosexuality being just basically unchained, unrestrained. That's breaking with natural law. To the point where the organic man is becoming an extinct species, and if we don't turn this thing around, there shall be no flesh left alive. These genetic abominations, this constant, steady being fed neutering chemicals. If we don't reverse this, we will be an extinct species really soon, because this is an unsustainable course. I understand depopulation, but it's from a completely different perspective than these so-called social engineers. What they've done is they've made a contract with death. They've made a contract with death, and you don't win when you make a contract with death. It may promise you one thing, but it delivers death. So, yeah, social engineering is a contract with death. And, when you break with natural laws, you will pay hefty penalties. And, hell, let's just get it on then, huh? I, for one, am tired of the plastic culture. I am, for one, I'm like, I've said this more than once, I'm like John Travolta making a break from the culture in the plastic bubble. Anybody remember that movie? I always get these obscure references in my mind. Oh. Anyway, yeah, we certainly have to break these break with this engineering of societies and cultures and the genome, the human genome. I mean, that's what, you know, GMO is doing. It's you know, what we do, what our bodies do is they process that genetic information. It takes the RNA chains and plugs them directly into your cells. What do you think that's doing to your cells? Why do you think cancer is off the charts? Why do you think you know, diabetes is off the charts? Why do you think the promiscuity and the homosexuality is off of the charts? It's because we are being engineered. They know that if they promote homosexuality, then you get population reduction. It has absolutely nothing to do with your personal liberty. It has everything to do with making you dead. Anyway, move on. Take off.